And everybody, how you all doing? Happy Thursday, guys. As you can see, the market actually took a toll ever since yesterday. That was Wednesday, and today we can see Bitcoin at 103. So I'm just gonna be talking about Bitcoin in this video, and probably I'll be talking about XRP as well. And then I'll be making short video clips just talking about major tokens and all of that. So if you also have any token you want me, or Bitcoin, or any cryptocurrency you want me to talk about, just let me know down in the comment section. All right. So moving on to Bitcoin. Yeah. Just gotta hide all of this. Okay. Good. So yeah, I took a long on shall I say Tuesday night? Yeah, Tuesday night to Wednesday. So I took a long position, but I got out at 104 because that was my exact price to get out. That's where I was hoping Bitcoin price should get to. So I got out at 104 exactly where we had this liquidity the sweep around here. So that's why I got up, because I know there'll be a lot of take profits around there. Market retraced back, and hopefully we might still see Bitcoin get into 106. Okay, so yeah, so overall, what are we expecting for Bitcoin? What do we expect? Let's go back to the daily time frame. So you can see all the levels are being respected. All the levels are being respected, right? And hold on. And after we drop from 114, you can see we cleared this zone at 106. So that's why I'm expecting price to retrace towards this area. I mean, if we're going to be in a bearish market, so I'll be looking for very good shorts down to we're definitely going to clear we're definitely going to clear all of these levels and probably touch into 93k. But that's if I'm expecting beers, right? So there are two ways. Okay, I can take a long from here and hopefully that the market starts retracing back up. But if on the daily, because it's going the exact way I thought, okay, because we crossed through we broke through the support at 100k. All right, we broke through that support, and we were supposed to get over to the week down at 98k. It stopped at 99. So and then we can see on the daily, which I took the buy on the daily, we would have that minor retracement, that might cool off. Let's just call it a cool down. When you take a drug, you just gotta you cool down a little bit before you pop another one. So yeah, we had that cool down. So I took this buy to like 104. I got out yesterday night, and I was expecting 106, right? So because we have a very good gap at 106. I mean, if we look at this, we have a very good gap, but we have a major gap here. But I'm expecting 106 at least around this level, because if you check the support at this level here, you see at least the support is a bit kind of strong, right? So and then you can see right here the support was where we had this two open close candles, right? Or close open, yeah, close open candles, right? You can see that. So I mean that's a very good retracement zone for me, but I just got out 104. So but I'll still be watching the market. Now what would I do? Am I expecting Bitcoin to go higher, or am I following the trend? Right now the market is still under a lot of sentiment, a lot of speculations that the market is red and the market is bleeding, Bitcoin is bleeding. So that means that I should be looking for more short positions, right? And I believe the best place I can get another short position would be around 106, 107, and that was where my overall take profit would be. So if you're looking, and where will I be putting my take profit, will be around here, because since the weeks we have the weeks already clearing out these zones, right? All right, so that means there's no chance that the market is going to weak down into here. We're going to have a very strong red candle that is going to clear this whole zone, and that's what's going to be, right? But and then we're going to touch down into at least 93k or at least 90k. Somewhere along the line we're going to probably touch down, and that should be a very strong retracement, well enough for Bitcoin to even surpass 125k and or probably go to 150k like everyone is speculating. But I know the road will be hard, so just guide your portfolio, guys. This is just trading, so you can just DCA anytime Bitcoin goes down a little bit. DCA is dollar cost average, where you don't buy in. All right, you don't just buy in, you hold. You wait till the market drops a little bit, because we know Bitcoin is probably, the market is gonna go green, right? And like that's why I did with Solana. So again, if you're not on the community, there's a Telegram community, just do join in. The link is in the description. Do join in. I drop more of the analysis or my plans right there in in the Telegram community. So do join in. And again, if you have any token that I have never spoken about, just let me know. I'll do my research on it, and then yeah, get in on the token, right? So yeah. Okay, so where was I? Said, oh, we probably, if the market continues to go red, okay, like the market bleeds forward other than this, okay, and then that's when I believe we'll probably see Bitcoin going to like 90k and the rest. So yeah, the 90k will be a very, very good retracement for Bitcoin at this level. Okay, that anything below 90k will be panic mode. Okay, anything below 90k, or let's say anything below, yeah, anything below 90k is panic mode. All right, that's when I myself would start to panic, and I don't want anything below 90k. 90k is a good buy back into the market, and I believe even if the whales are gonna short the market so bad, it's probably gonna be to 90k. But I'm not saying we are gonna go straight to market 90k immediately, like I heard it from a whale. No, that's not what I'm doing. I'm just, this is just analysis over here. So if we go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that we still have an opportunity to still run up to 106, right? And if when we do run up to 106 or 107, all right, then I believe, yeah, we might be, that's when I would start looking for those short opportunities down to 90k or down to 198k or around that level. Okay, but for now I can still take another short, okay, because there's just like a gap right here. If you look at this properly, there's a gap, and we came into this gap, right? We came into this gap, and then it's just logical to just say, yeah, for those of you who trade ICT, you all know how this pans out, right? And we still have another liquidity around this zone, like let's just say buy side or sell side liquidity, whatever you all want to call it, right? So yeah, that's that for that. And this this is how I am trading the market. I don't think we should go to the 1 hour time frame, right? I think I already showed you all the 1 hour time frame on where I took my first profit. So you can see we had a gap, we came into that gap over here, and this was a close call. I would have been stopped out. But luckily I wasn't. So yeah, all informations are in the community. So yep, so this is just guide your portfolio, guys, because it might look like the red is just starting, okay, and this bear market is just for them to shake us out well enough for them to pump the market. As always, the whales don't want us to win with them, so you gotta be smart. You gotta know how you trade the market. Probably next on my video I'll be talking about Solana and giving you guys reason why I believe Solana will probably go over 1k and the rest. So stick to the next and catch you in the next one.